Rosa, welcome back. The question is, on this channel, what I do. I help you to make money online on either Shopify or eBay. And now in today's video, what I'm going to be talking about, what I want to do in this video, you will have a better understanding of what the eBay managed payment system is, everything that you need to know, and of course how it compares to PayPal. So make sure that you watch the whole video till the end so that you don't miss anything. Now before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Let's get right into the video. I am gonna helping you make money online on either Shopify or eBay. Let's get right into the video. Let's not waste any more time. Today I have received a call from eBay. They have told me that I need to apply for it as soon as possible, otherwise it could affect my sales. What I want to say is this: you would have received an email from eBay if you sell on eBay saying that you need to apply for the new eBay managed payment system, and now that's what I have done. Now I will break down all of the answer that he basically told me so that hopefully you guys will be able to learn from her. And in the US, a lot of sellers are already using the eBay managed payment system. I have done it myself today. It's not really mandatory from them to sign up to her. In the email it said that they are going to activate my account. I was also able to ask my eBay rep all of the questions that I need to know, and I'm going to break down everything, all of the questions I asked them. So make sure you watch the whole video and to understand what you need to know. So what are eBay managed payments? What exactly are eBay managed payments? PayPal is a third-party company that logged after the payment from, and PayPal were always connected when it left the buyer until it reached the seller, which meant that eBay provided the platform for buyers to purchase items, and they managed the transaction throughout the whole process, and they also provided the platform where sellers could list their items for sale. But now eBay will be managing the transactions themselves, which means that to list their items they will be the ones to provide the platform for sellers, but they will make sure that the funds are logged after from, and also provide the service of managing the transactions themselves as well when it leaves the buyer until it reaches the seller, to make sure that everything is facilitated in the right way. They will act as a middleman, and there is a new fee structure that every seller needs to be aware of, and this is a new massive change to the eBay platform. I am going to discuss in this video. You will have a better understanding of how the new fee structure is going to work, and there is something that you need to know. PayPal will still exist as a company. They are not going to go away, and when it comes to buyers and sellers, they are not going to be involved, and when the customer makes a payment from their own PayPal account, they are only going to be involved. It will go directly into their eBay account instead of the money going into the seller's PayPal account. I am going to explain a bit more in a minute. There was always two sets of fees that I needed to pay for the past 3 years as a seller on eBay. One fee to PayPal for every single transaction, an old fee structure I had to pay one fee to eBay, and the fee that I had to pay to eBay, it depending on what category I was selling in at the time, but the average is between 5% to 10%. And on PayPal, every single transaction for fee that I had to pay for is at 2 and fee plus 20 per every single transaction. That's the amount that I had to pay for, whether the amount was $4 or $10. Every single transaction that passed through my PayPal account. I'm just going to use the examples without any discounts. I am not including any discounts that I made it as a top rated seller, so that I can make the calculations a bit more easier for you guys to understand. So now I'm just going to give you an example of what I would have had to pay prior to them. If we are going to look at the old way of doing things without the eBay managed payment system, for example, I have got the calculations right here. If I sold an item for $10, if it was 5 for the category that we are talking about, would have been $1, and that's the eBay fee that I would have to add to all fee example breakdown by, and it would have been $1 if it was 5 for the category, and that's we are talking about right now. The PayPal fee would have been 0.78p plus 20p for the transaction. Basically that would have been at 2.9, which comes to a total of $1 $1.78 for the eBay fee. The fee that I would have to pay for new eBay fees summary that they have introduced this new eBay managed payment system. So now by using the new eBay managed payment system, and that same $10 item would be 6.0 plus at a 30 transaction fee. And under this new system, the fee that you are going to be charged, it depends on what category you are selling in the category that. For example, if we are looking for a new eBay fee, for example, consumer electronics, it's going to be 6.9 plus a 30 transaction fee that you are going to have to pay for that $20 item, which comes to a total of $1.68 for the total fee. Make sure you wind it back. I know that might be a bit confusing, but that's the end. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos. And don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.